And primarily to begin with, it was a booking and scheduling tool. That's what we were using it for. And since then, we've been building out a number of different features. A lot of our customers would know us for our fantastic floor plans. So we do complete customized floor plans. You can upload a design that you would like us to replicate. It could be a site plan, a floor plan, even a 3D plan. We've actually got a promotion on right now. Order any 3D plan and you'll get a free 2D plan. Absolutely complimentary of that. The secondary features are more around the virtual tour and the experience behind it. So our virtual tour branding, our branding bars, our logos, our link backs, our client contact information, all within the branding bars, and also the analytics that track behind it. So heat map analytics and scheduling those to send out to clients. In addition to this, once you get all these pieces together, you can put it together in a one-page website. We'll be going through an update later in the show around some of the fantastic new experiences that our developers have created recently, some beautiful property, one-page property websites, and helping you manage everything as well. We do have a back-end system for post-production.